What's up, my name is TechNobo here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to this very quick video on fixing mouse input latency for Battlefield 2042. So if you play the game and it feels like there's a hell of a lot of mouse acceleration, don't worry, you're most definitely not alone. With new games comes tons of new glitches, and unfortunately Battlefield 2042 is no exception by any means. It doesn't run well on anything above low. This video is going to be focusing on one of the issues, which is mouse acceleration / mouse movement, mouse input latency, lag, etc, etc. If you move your mouse from A to B, it doesn't necessarily move further or less than it should. It's not necessarily mouse acceleration, but whatever it is, it moves slowly and then a lot and then slows down again. It's like some sort of a curve. Maybe there's some sort of smoothing going on. It's incredibly annoying, and it feels like I'm using a joystick. In fact, I even picked up an Xbox controller, moved around the stick to look, and it felt a hell of a lot smoother and more reactive than moving my mouse around, it's just mind-blowing. Anyways, if you're affected by this issue, don't even bother trying to change controller settings to affect your mouse. This is something that can be fixed very easily, of course by us and probably by them, but we're the first ones who are going to have to fix this before it's actually patched by the game devs. TLDR, all you need to do is lower your mouse's polling rate. It's the same as the issue that struck Minecraft a hell of a long time ago. If your polling rate's too high, you'll get a ton of input lag / latency. It's very, very annoying. I had my mouse latency on 1000, and this is what it looked like. If I move my mouse left and right and left and right, and I clack my hands, you can see things are very, very broken with this game. Then, using Logitech software for my G502, I dropped it to 500. This is what it looked like. Looking around, things are a lot better. It's still quite jumpy. Right, left, right, left, right. It's a hell of a lot better. It's still a bit jittery and jumpy with up and down movement. I'm moving my mouse perfectly smoothly in real life. This is just the game jumping around the place. Then I dropped it down to 250. The game is now running pretty smoothly. There's still a bit of jumpiness, but it's slightly more playable at this point in time. And finally dropping it down to 125. This time looking around in game, it seems pretty good, almost the same as 250, but it's a hell of a lot more playable now. I can look around from point to point pretty accurately. It's not like the distance is changing at all, it's just the smoothness of the mouse moving. It feels like there's not a lot of acceleration, but just a hell of a lot of delay, and not exactly acceleration to move further, but just it takes a while to get places from A to B, even though it really shouldn't. It's a hell of a lot more responsive, but it's still incredibly annoying that you have to go ahead and do something like this. But anyways, that's about it for this quick video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNobo here for Troubleshoot. Hopefully this video helped you, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!